Are you dreaming of an adventure filled with diverse landscapes, rich culture, and incredible experiences? Look no further than Chile, a country that stretches like a ribbon along South America's western edge, offering everything from arid deserts to towering glaciers. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a history buff, or someone looking to relax in stunning natural beauty, Chile has it all. From its bustling cities to its remote, untouched wilderness, this country promises adventures that will stay with you forever. Let's explore why this fascinating destination should be at the top of your travel list. Chile is often called the land of contrasts for a good reason. Imagine walking through the otherworldly landscapes of the Atacama Desert, the driest desert in the world, where geysers erupt, salt flats shimmer, and flamingos gracefully wade in turquoise lagoons. The desert nights are equally mesmerizing, offering some of the clearest skies for stargazing on the planet. As you journey south, the scenery transforms into the lush vineyards of the Central Valley, known for producing world-class wines that pair perfectly with Chile's culinary delights. Beyond the vineyards rise the snow-capped peaks of the Andes, a paradise for hikers and climbers seeking adventure and tranquility. Further still, you'll encounter the breathtaking fjords, glaciers, and windswept plains of Patagonia, where nature's raw beauty takes center stage. Each region offers something unique, and together they form a tapestry of natural wonders that make Chile a must-visit destination. Let's start in Santiago, Chile's vibrant capital. Nestled between the Andes and the coast, Santiago is a city that effortlessly blends old-world charm with modern sophistication. Stroll through its lively neighborhoods like Bella Vista, filled with colorful street art, vibrant nightlife, and trendy cafes. History buffs will love exploring the iconic Plaza de Armas, the cultural heart of the city, while foodies can indulge in local flavors at Mercado Central, famous for its fresh seafood. For breathtaking views, take the funicular up San Cristobal Hill, where a giant statue of the Virgin Mary overlooks the city. Santiago is the perfect launchpad for your Chilean adventure, offering a glimpse of the country's rich culture and dynamic energy. Speaking of food, Chile's culinary scene is an adventure in itself. Start your day with a warm empanada, a pastry stuffed with meats or cheese, a staple snack loved by locals. For lunch, indulge in a bowl of pastel de choclo, a traditional corn pie filled with beef, chicken, and hard-boiled eggs, baked to perfection. Seafood lovers, rejoice! With its long coastline, Chile boasts some of the freshest catches in the world. Don't leave without trying ceviche, made with locally caught fish, or a hearty seafood stew known as caldillo de congrio, a dish so beloved that it was immortalized in a poem by Pablo Neruda. Pair your meals with a glass of Chilean wine. The country's vineyards produce some of the best reds and whites in the world, including the famous Carmenere. For outdoor enthusiasts, Patagonia is a dream destination. Imagine trekking through Torres del Paine National Park with its dramatic peaks, turquoise lakes, and vast grasslands that stretch to the horizon. Each trail offers something unique, from challenging multi-day hikes to shorter paths perfect for soaking in the breathtaking scenery. The region also offers opportunities for kayaking, horseback riding, and glacier trekking. Wildlife enthusiasts will delight in spotting guanacos, condors, and even elusive pumas. This is a place where nature reigns supreme, and every step feels like a postcard-worthy moment. But Chile isn't just about dramatic landscapes. It's also a place of deep history and vibrant culture. Visit the Rapa Nui National Park on Easter Island, where mysterious Moai statues stand as silent sentinels to an ancient civilization. Learn about the island's fascinating history, its Polynesian roots, and its unique cultural traditions that continue to thrive today. In the north, explore the Valle de la Luna, Valley of the Moon, in the Atacama Desert, where the terrain feels like you've stepped onto another planet. Its surreal rock formations and golden sunsets make it a photographer's paradise. Throughout the country, you'll find the warmth and hospitality of the Chilean people, always ready to share their stories and traditions with travelers. Let's not forget the quirky and colorful port city of Valparaiso, often called the Jewel of the Pacific. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a labyrinth of steep hills, vibrant murals, and historic funiculars. Wander through its bohemian streets, admire the art, and enjoy the laid-back coastal vibe. Take a moment to visit La Sebastiana, the former home of poet Pablo Neruda, now a museum offering insights into his life and work. Valparaiso's charm lies in its artistic spirit and unique character, making it a must-visit destination. For wine lovers, a trip to the Colchagua Valley is a must. Just a short drive from Santiago, this region is the heart of Chilean winemaking. Tour vineyards, sample world-class wines, and learn about the history and passion that go into every bottle. The rolling hills and picturesque vineyards create the perfect backdrop for a relaxing day of wine tasting. Don't miss the opportunity to try a glass of Syrah or Carmenere, Chile's signature varietals. Traveling in Chile is easy and safe, with a well-developed infrastructure that caters to tourists. Domestic flights connect the country's vast distances, while buses offer an affordable way to see the sights. For long journeys, opt for comfortable overnight buses with reclining seats. In cities, taxis and public transport are reliable, but always agree on fares beforehand for peace of mind. And remember, Chile uses the Chilean peso, so familiarize yourself with the exchange rate to make the most of your budget. Credit cards are widely accepted, but it's always handy to have cash for smaller towns and markets. Chile's festivals are another highlight. Time your visit to coincide with events like the Fiestas Patrias in September, where the entire country comes alive with parades, music, and traditional dances. Sample delicious Chilean barbecue and join in the celebrations at local fondas, where people gather to eat, drink, and dance. Or experience the vibrant Carnaval Andino con la Fuerza del Sol in the northern city of Arica, a dazzling display of Andean culture and folklore that will leave you in awe. When it comes to safety, Chile is one of the most secure destinations in South America. However, like anywhere, it's wise to keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded areas or while using public transport. Stick to well-lit streets at night and follow local advice for a worry-free adventure. For those exploring remote regions, hiring a local guide is highly recommended to ensure both safety and a deeper understanding of the area. So, are you ready to explore the magic of Chile? From the arid beauty of the Atacama to the icy splendor of Patagonia, this country offers a kaleidoscope of experiences that will leave you inspired. Whether you're seeking adventure, culture, or relaxation, Chile has something for everyone. Pack your bags, prepare for adventure, and let Chile's wonders unfold before your eyes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Safe travels and see you in Chile.